Best AI tools for real estate agents. Boost listings and client engagement. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a real estate agent looking to save time, close more deals, and stay ahead of the competition, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the best AI tools for real estate agents, the exact tools top realtors are using to work smarter, not harder. Which AI tool is best for realtors? So, which AI tool is best for realtors? Well, it depends on what you need. Lead generation, marketing, listing optimization, or client management. Don't worry, I've got you covered on all fronts. AI for lead generation. First up, can AI help real estate agents generate leads? Absolutely. AI is transforming how we find and nurture potential clients. There are some incredible AI lead generation tools for realtors that automate prospecting and even qualify leads for you. ChatGPT for real estate scripts, Structurally AI chatbot, local service ads with AI integration, AI tools for real estate marketing. Next, let's talk about how to use AI in real estate marketing. AI tools can help you create engaging property descriptions, eye-catching social media posts, and even video content, all in minutes. One tool gaining massive popularity is the Fleeky AI Video Creator. It turns property photos and text into polished, voiceover-ready videos perfect for listings or social media, listing optimization, and CRM. Want to make your listing stand out? There are amazing AI tools for real estate listing optimization that analyze market trends and suggest better descriptions, pricing strategies, and keywords to help your properties get noticed. And for staying organized, small brokerages are loving AI real estate CRM tools. These smart platforms use AI to track leads, schedule follow-ups, and keep your deals moving. Examples: LionDesk AI CRM, Follow-Up Boss with AI features. What AI tools do top real estate agents use? So, what AI tools do top real estate agents use? It's a mix. Lead gen tools like Structurally, marketing platforms like Fleeky, AI CRMs, and AI copywriting tools like Jasper or ChatGPT all play a role. To recap, the best AI real estate tools for agents cover lead generation, marketing, listing optimization, and CRM, all designed to help you work efficiently and grow your business. How AI can help real estate agents get leads isn't a mystery anymore. The tools are out there. You just need to take advantage of them. Links to recommended AI tools below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate tech tips, and let me know in the comments which AI tool are you most excited to try. See you in the next video.